Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video. So in this video we are going to create a text with video background, as you can see on my computer screen, and it is looking so amazing right now. So let's get started and know how we can code this. So first of all we will create our HTML file. Now let's set our title and include our style.css file. Now we will include our video. So now let's start styling. First of all we will set our margin and padding to 0, and box sizing will be border box, and we will set our font family as our Roboto. Now let's write CSS for our container. Now let's write CSS for our video. Now let's include our text in our HTML file. Now let's check how it is looking. So now our video is looking good. Now we need to add CSS to make our text above the video. So let's do it. So now let's check how it is looking. So now let's align our text in the middle and increase its font size. Let's make our text little bit smaller. Now let's check how it is looking. So our P and N is outside the video, so let's make it a little bit smaller to make it look good. Now let's check. So now you can see it is giving a beautiful effect of text and video behind it. So this is it. This is our final product which we was hoping for. So remember me in your prayers, keep supporting me, and I will keep sharing stuff like this. And thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.